So while nearly 75% of American households can't afford a median-priced home in 2026, and mortgage rates are sitting stubbornly above 6%, Elon Musk, the richest man on the planet worth over $200 billion, has been quietly living in a tiny foldable house that costs less than a base Model 3. You heard that right. The man who builds rockets to Mars, runs the world's most valuable car company, and is literally trying to put chips in people's brains, chose to live in a 375-square-foot prefabricated box that ships flat on a truck and unfolds into a fully functional home. Incredible. And now, the company behind that home just dropped a brand new model that starts at just $19,999, sets up in under 1 hour, and requires zero tools. Oh my goodness. But is this really the future of housing? Could foldable homes like this actually threaten the entire mortgage industry? And what does Elon Musk know about affordable living that the rest of us don't? Find out now. Welcome to Visionary Vault. Let's get into it. So here's the real story. The home Elon Musk has been connected to is called the Boxabl Casita, and it's made by a Las Vegas startup called Boxabl that was founded back in 2017 by father and son duo Paolo and Galliano Tiramani. Their mission was simple but pretty wild. They asked themselves one question: why can't homes be mass-produced in a factory the same way we build cars, phones, and electronics? And from that one question, they created something that we think could genuinely reshape the housing market. The Boxabl Casita is a 361-square-foot prefabricated studio unit. It comes with a full-sized kitchen, a complete bathroom, a living area, and a sleeping space, all packed into a single open-plan layout. The whole thing is built using steel, concrete, and expanded polystyrene foam insulation, which makes it resistant to fire, floods, rot, pests, and even hurricane-force winds. Crazy numbers. The unit ships folded on the back of a standard semi-truck and can be unfolded and installed on site in roughly 1 day. That's it, 1 day. Now compare that to a traditional American home, which takes an average of 7 to 12 months to build. We're talking about a difference that's almost hard to believe, but that's not all. So here's where things get really interesting. The Boxabl Casita starts at around $60,000 for the base unit. Now we know what you're thinking. That title said under $6,000. And look, we'll be straight with you. The $5,983 figure that's been floating around online likely refers to creative monthly financing breakdowns or early promotional pricing that doesn't reflect the full picture. But even at $60,000, let's put that in perspective. The median price of a new single-family home in the United States right now is approximately $460,000. According to the National Association of Home Builders, roughly 75% of all U.S. households, that's over 100 million families, cannot afford a median-priced new home at current mortgage rates of 6.5%. That is a staggering number. The minimum income you'd need just to qualify? About $141,000 a year. So when you look at a Boxabl Casita at $60,000, that's roughly 1/8 the cost of the average American home. Awesome. But wait, there's more. In early 2025, Boxabl unveiled their newest product, the Baby Box. This thing is a 120-square-foot foldable tiny home that starts at an introductory price of just $19,999. It weighs only 2,900 pounds, can be towed by a regular pickup truck or SUV, and here's the part that blew our minds. One person can set it up in under 60 minutes with no tools required, no construction crew, no special equipment, just you, the house, and about an hour of your time. The Jetsons, anyone? The Baby Box comes with a full kitchen including an induction stove and refrigerator, a complete bathroom with a glass-enclosed shower and skylight, a living area with a convertible sofa bed, LED lighting, a 9,000 BTU heat pump for climate control, and it's even solar-compatible for off-grid living. At under $20,000, monthly financing payments could be as low as $199 to $399. In other words, less than what most people pay for rent in a single month. Now let's talk about the Elon Musk connection, because this is where the story gets really fascinating. Back in 2020, Musk posted on X, formerly Twitter, that he was selling almost all of his physical possessions, including multiple mansions he owned in the ultra-wealthy Bel Air neighborhood of Los Angeles. One of those was a $17 million chateau formerly owned by Gene Wilder. Another was a massive mansion with 7 bedrooms and a 2-story library. And then he went and did it. He sold them all. As Musk himself said, he wanted fewer distractions and more liquidity to fund his mission to get humans to Mars. That's classic Elon right there. Soon after, reports surfaced that Musk was living near SpaceX's Starbase facility in Boca Chica, Texas. in a Boxabl Casita that cost roughly $50,000. He later confirmed on Twitter that he'd been living in a small house worth about $50,000 in South Texas. He even called it more homey to live in a small house. The man, worth over $200 billion, living in a home smaller than most studio apartments. We think that says something powerful about where housing is headed. Now, some people have debated the specifics. Musk later clarified that his particular home wasn't technically a Boxabl, though he praised it as a cool product. Boxabl, for their part, has dropped several hints confirming a casita was installed at Starbase for a top-secret customer. Whether he sleeps in it every night or uses it as a guest house, the endorsement alone sent shockwaves through the industry. As of recent reports, Boxabl has accumulated a wait list of over 175,000 people. Let that sink in. 175,000 people waiting to buy a foldable house. So the big question on everyone's mind, can homes like these actually put a dent in the housing crisis? Let's look at the numbers, because the situation right now is honestly pretty rough. As of mid-2025, owning a median-priced home in America consumes nearly 48% of the median household's income, according to the Atlanta Fed. That's almost half your paycheck just going to housing. Home prices have surged over 54% since January 2020. Mortgage rates have been hovering between 6 and 7% for the past 2 years. Late-stage mortgage delinquencies, payments at least 90 days past due, rose over 18% year-over-year in December 2025. And here's a number that really puts it into perspective. Only about 6 million out of the nation's 46 million renters earn enough to afford the monthly mortgage payment on a median-priced home. 6 million out of 46 million. That's incredible, and not in a good way. This is exactly why companies like Boxabl matter. Their goal is to mass-produce homes in a factory the way Tesla mass-produces electric vehicles. Boxabl has built a large-scale manufacturing facility in Las Vegas designed to produce thousands of homes at full capacity. They're aiming to build one house every 90 minutes, targeting 3,600 units per year from their initial plant. They've secured regulatory approvals across 15 states covering over 70 million people, and since May 2025, they've had over 200 units in the pipeline. Now, we're not going to sit here and tell you that foldable homes are going to replace traditional houses overnight. That's simply not in the cards. But we believe these homes could become a serious player in the affordable housing space, especially as accessory dwelling units, starter homes for young buyers, emergency shelters for disaster relief, and even workforce housing for remote job sites. Now, we know what some of you are thinking. And look, every disruptive technology faces criticism, and foldable homes are no different. Some early Boxabl customers have reported delivery delays, and the company has faced scrutiny over its cash burn rate as it scales up production. The baby box is still in the pre-order stage, with bulk orders of 50 units or more getting priority over individual buyers. And let's be honest, 120 square feet is not going to work for a family of 4. We get that. There are also practical costs that go beyond the sticker price. The casita's base price of $60,000 doesn't include land, shipping, which runs about $3 to $10 per mile, foundation and site prep, utility hookups, or local permits. When you add all that up, a fully installed, move-in-ready casita typically lands somewhere between $95,000 and $150,000. That's a far cry from the clickbait prices you see online, but it's still a fraction of what a traditional home costs. But here's the thing. Boxabl is actively working to bring those costs down through scale. Their entire business model is built on mass production and factory efficiency, and with a valuation estimated between $3.3 and $3.5 billion as of 2024, plus whispers of a potential IPO under the NASDAQ ticker BXBL by 2026 or 2027, this company is not slowing down. We're confident the best is yet to come. So let's paint a picture of what the future could actually look like. Imagine you're a recent college graduate drowning in student debt, and instead of paying $2,000 a month in rent for a cramped apartment, you finance a baby box for $250 a month and park it on a family member's property. Imagine you're a retiree looking to downsize, and instead of a $400,000 condo, you set up a fully equipped casita in your kid's backyard for a fraction of the cost. Imagine a natural disaster hits, a wildfire in California, a hurricane in Florida, a winter storm in Texas, and within 48 hours, foldable homes are being deployed as emergency shelters, giving families a safe, climate-controlled place to live while they rebuild. That's not science fiction. That's the direction we're heading. And companies like Boxabl, with visibility from figures like Elon Musk, are pushing us there faster than most people realize. Tesla's own energy division, with solar panels and Powerwall batteries, could potentially integrate with these prefab homes to create fully off-grid, sustainable living solutions. The crossover between automotive technology and housing is just getting started. We think 10 years from now, we'll look back at this moment and realize it was the beginning of a massive shift in how humanity thinks about shelter. Not everyone will live in a foldable house, but millions of people who currently can't afford a home might finally have a path to ownership. And that, to us, is what makes this whole thing truly incredible. Now we want to ask you, the YouTube viewer, what do you think about foldable homes like the Boxabl Casita and the Baby Box? Would you ever consider living in one? And if it were you, what's the maximum monthly payment you'd consider for a home like this? Please let us know your thoughts in the comments below. With that, we hope you learned a lot about the future of affordable housing and Elon Musk's connection to the foldable home revolution after watching our episode. If you did, we humbly ask to please press that like button and join the Visionary Vault family by subscribing to our channel. You'll never miss out on any of our awesome videos once you hit that bell icon. We value your feedback and the time you spent watching this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you back here soon. Until then, take care, stay safe, and God bless.